Okay, so guys, today, oh, oops. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to use the app on your phone. Yes, I am using the Magic Sing. So it's connected. So like, if you type this, like, let's see, uh, okay, let's type in like so let me type in like a random number, 36. Okay, yeah, that looks so bad. Okay, 6. You can do this. Press that. So you just heard it, right? So yeah, it works like that. And then you can play that song. You just heard it. So yeah. So it's like that. Or you can use this here. Type in a song, but it has 5,145 songs. So if it has a song that you can sing, then unfortunately you can't sing that on your Magic Sing. This has 5,145 songs. Older has like 2,000 songs. So yeah. So you could search up a song like this song. This is a song I know. So I typed it up. See, if there's two, pick one of them. Just pick one of them, or pick the one with the first number. So let me add that. Yeah, you see, you just heard it. So that means it reserved onto the app, and yeah, it's this. Na, 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 na. Yeah, you see, so it's reserved now. So yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. So that's basically everything, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.